I haven't heard of Oxford University, but since having this experience, it's like really interested me because I love science practicals, like they're like one of my favourite things to do. And I think it's just like interested me more having this like interaction. So I really liked it.
I'm Claire. I'm currently in my second year of my DPhil, so my PhD at Oxford, and I'm currently looking at behaviour change of people because unfortunately around the world lots of people are illegally eating animals they shouldn't, and so my particular topic is sea turtles in the Maldives. I came across Oxplore as a really great way to sort of get involved with kids and sort of get them inspired to want to learn after school and kind of go on to university.
I think the researchers that came over today were very kind and like passionate about their jobs. Like, I really like having like a one-to-one conversation with someone who like knows what they're doing.
What I thought was particularly beneficial to the students from today's session was the fact that they could explore the ideas and the creativity, firstly on their own, but also encouraging teamwork.
My name's Bessie. I'm currently doing a DPhil at Oxford in psychiatry. I've helped to deliver the sessions but also to design them and work with teachers to try and make the best session that is possible for the students.
I like learning Arabic words because I get to learn about all of the different countries.
Have any of you been to Tunisia?
I'm Maggie. I am a third year French and Arabic student at Pembroke College, University of Oxford. After attending the Oxplore Festival, I want the students to feel a bit more confident in thinking past the subjects that they study in school, starting to explore their own interests more, starting to, read wider outside of, they might take a French text and think, oh, that's really interesting, but they want to go further than that. They want to, look at what was this literary movement or that type of thing, things that really start to get them thinking about how to push all of their subjects more outside the box and really engage with their own academic material.
My favourite part of today was probably tea tasting because it's us try different things and find out what you like and what you don't like.
What did it taste like?
Jam and toast.
Jam and toast?
Yes.
Okay.
My name's Simon and I'm a researcher in Korean studies. The two things that I'm really looking forward to about the Oxplore Festival are making a personal connection with the students and hearing what they're interested in, and also just seeing their approaches to the big questions that we bring them and the tasks that we bring them. They've always got really original and creative approaches to the big questions that we ask them, and they're really exciting to hear.
My favourite part of the Oxford session was the rockets, like how to build them, what materials you need for them. We also looked at what medical supplies that we needed to survive on the moon.
My advice for other schools or teachers who want to bring students to the festival is yes, go for it. The hands-on activities are great, and the fact that the staff that are involved are actually staff who are practising in these particular projects is another benefit as well.